Okay, so today we are opening the pool. Went to go open it, and as you can see, the suction hoses are deteriorated. So we got to replace them. So you can order them online at Amazon, Walmart.com. They're gonna take you a while to get them. So this is a Coleman 52-inch Vista series pool, 22 foot in diameter. So you can get hoses, bilge hoses from, you get a bilge hose from Lowe's, and it's the same diameter. It's 6 foot. You cut these in half. You'll cut them right there on that mark. Take your utility knife, something like this, just cut that in half. I'll show you that in a few minutes. So first things first, got to take off this clamp. They come with plastic clamps, but they dry rot it, so I end up having to use just regular hose clamps. So you take that off like that. Alright, take your new hose. Take a new hose and cut that zip tie. Cut it on this. Cut it on this side. We can reuse it. All right. So cut it right here in the middle. This is 6 foot, like I told you. Let's take the knife. Like that. Take your hose clamp, take it off there, put it on this one, put this on just like that. Take your screwdriver, flathead screwdriver. I'm gonna tighten this bad boy up. It's probably the last year for this pool. This is about 5-6 years old now, so gotten the money's worth out of it, definitely. So, alright, so you have 2 of these hoses. This one has still got the original plastic clamp. I'm hoping it's gonna work. It may not. Take that off, put this on. Very simple. Okay, tighten that up. See, didn't think it was gonna make it. So I'm gonna have to find another hose clamp. That one off. Alright, take that off. Trash that one. Get a new one. Put this hose clamp on there. Just like so. Do the same thing. Alright. So I have to find me 2 more hose clamps. Finish that off. Alright, so I found me some clamps. Not the greatest clamps, but they'll work for today. They're not stainless steel. Alright, so as soon as we get these hooked up, we can start filling this thing back up with water. Water level is right here to these intake hoses, so can't put no more water in there until we get these connected up. Alright, that's done. Alright, let's get a little support on this hose right here. That zip tie that we saved. Hopefully this will do the trick. It did the trick.